Hey guys, welcome to Tech Surgeon YT once again. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the iOS 17 update issue that says this update requires a Wi-Fi connection to download. Now, if you updated to the iOS 16, back then this issue cut across all devices from the iPhone 6s up to the iPhone 14. You can see that right here. Last year, this is a year ago, I made this video talking about how to fix this issue. This update requires a Wi-Fi connection to download, and I found a very easy method for you to fix this issue on your device once you get this issue on your device. I still don't know why the method works, but then it's kind of just works. So now for this year, this issue does not cut across all devices. It only affects devices from the iPhone XS down to the iPhone 6 or any supported devices. Like as long as you're from the iPhone XS below, then this issue is going to show on your device. But then if you use from the iPhone 11 up to the iPhone 15, then you're not going to get this issue. Now last year I used an iPhone XS to make this video, and that's why I got this issue. But then this year I'm using an iPhone 14 Plus for this video, and I do not have that issue. I'm going to tap on my software updates, and I'm going to be showing you guys the updates tab. So you can see right there, I have the download and install button working perfectly for both the iOS 16.7 update. And once I tap on iOS 17, you can see right there, I have the download and install button available directly. But then if you get the issue that says this update requires a Wi-Fi connection to download, here's what you have to do. Now, you're going to want to switch to a SIM card that does not have a data connection, that does not have any mobile data plan. So I use my travel SIM card that has a mobile data plan. I'm going to be switching to my primary SIM card that does not have a mobile data plan, and then I'm going to be coming again to general and then software update. Now, because you do not have a mobile data plan, this is not going to load up. It's going to keep rolling and checking for update. So while it's rolling and checking for updates, you want to scroll down, come down to your Wi-Fi, meaning you're going to need a Wi-Fi device that has a data connection. Then you're going to turn on your Wi-Fi, and then you can see right there I'm connected to Redmi Note T. Now once you come down to this tab, it should load up the screen, and instead of seeing the issue that says this update requires a Wi-Fi connection to download, you should be able to see the download and install button directly on your device without encountering the issue again. So technically guys, that's all for the video. I hope the video was very helpful to you guys. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button right now and make sure to tap on the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever any video is uploaded on this channel. If you still have this issue, make sure you hit me up in the comment section below, and I'm going to be trying to attend to your issue. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.